Hello Facebook friends, Kevin Z here, going live on a Friday morning. I want to say hello to everybody. I am here in my office. This is my desk over here. Let's take a look at my setup. I got a portrait monitor. And just looking at this announcement here that we had. If you have not seen this yet, make sure you do check this out. This is very time sensitive. Those who have seen this before know what I am talking about. But I wanted to use this opportunity to give you guys a very quick tour of the office and really kind of show you where we work over here. I'm going to switch the camera around. So here we have a bunch of developers here working. We're going to just take you guys right down to the area here where we keep all the hardware. This is a lot of the equipment that we have here, but most importantly, this is the little testing lab where we make all the magic happen. I'm going to take a seat here. I'm going to run you through actually some of the pieces of hardware that we have and how you can use it for your business. So a lot of you have seen this one. This is the 841 from TP-Link. You can use this at any local business for about a dozen people. It's usually a good amount to use for this. This came for free for a lot of you, but now I think a lot of you are getting this one. This is the SH100. This is the metal case device that is branded social powered Wi-Fi hotspot in the back. It is a metal case. It has two antennas. It is great for reach. You can use this pretty much to any local business. These are the demos. This is the Next mini demo device. As you can see just by the size of it in my hand, it's pretty tiny. You can use this both as a tether through your iPhone or Android device. You can plug it in via LAN, or you can plug in a USB modem, which is this is a 4G modem. This is a Hawaii 4G modem. You can use this with a SIM card. I believe there is a SIM card in here. Let me just open it up and show you. So yeah, there it is. There's that SIM card in there, and you can take this, plug this into any of these devices. For example, this one as well. This is a new device we're working on. We're going to be releasing that shortly. But you can plug this into any device, any of these devices, and use wireless Wi-Fi, social Wi-Fi. And you can also actually plug in, like I mentioned, your Android and iPhone into that. More importantly, these are some of the newer ones. This is the Ubiquiti device. This is one of the access points from Ubiquiti. You plug this into a PoE switch, so this looks something like this. This contains both internet and power. You plug this into the wall, and it plugs in the internet in one end, and all these lights actually provide power to these access points. This is the Open Mesh access point here. Pretty powerful device. This is the A60. It runs about 220 bucks, I think, but this is great for any restaurant. I mean, even larger. This has way more power than some of these other ones over here. And the cool thing about this is that you can have as many as you want. You can add them to your CloudTrax controller. It's very easy to manage these, and we now have a direct integration directly with OpenMesh for these. Here are some Cisco devices. These are Meraki devices. As you can see, they're very well made. Solid plastic here. Really nice access point. This is great as well for any restaurant, even hotel floor. Could probably handle that. Again, it all depends. You know, when people ask me about what access point should I use, it really depends on a whole bunch of things, a whole bunch of factors. We have the site survey and the checklist in our new members area, so make sure you check that out. Here's another more powerful Cisco device. This is the Meraki MR42. You can look at these online. Actually, there's a lot of information about these online. But you plug this in. All you do is plug it into a normal PoE switch. It's really nice. The controller's in the cloud. So typically, if you guys have ever set up networks, you have something like this that's kind of reminiscent of a controller, but this is really just a PoE switch. Controller would basically manage all of these access points. And previously, you would need a physical controller there, kind of like a gateway. Now, with the cloud controllers, all you need is this access point provided from power, so you can have power provided directly from this, or you can have a little PoE injector, which is the little plug attachment that you can then power these devices from. You can plug them anywhere you want, and you don't really need to call back to a physical controller because this controller is in the cloud. Here's our gateway device. Those who, let's say, still do an on-site controller. If you don't do a cloud controller, you can get one of these guys. You can plug in this device directly behind your switch, and this will take over all the internet and then allow you to manage your entire network through there. Here are some of the other TP-Links. A lot of you guys ask about TP-Links, if they still work. They do still work. Some of the new ones, the C7s, are blocked. We actually have some firmware that will get by that now, so those who want to try that, let me know. But generally, all the other 841s and all these other ones, they still work great. Just for smaller installs and the larger installs, you want to go more of the cloud controller. These are the smaller Open Mesh ones. These run about 100 bucks each, work the same way as this. Just plug them directly into PoE. Here's one that is pretty small. Here's another one that's about the same size. This one is more powerful. You can check them all out at openmesh.com. A whole bunch of information there. But I just wanted to really jump on quickly and show you guys our office over here. It's a nice bright space. I spend about 12 to 16 hours a day in here. So just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse at what it is, what it looks like, and know that we are here to help you. Take care, everyone. See you later. Have a great weekend, and make sure if you have not seen that the legacy plan deal yet, make sure you check it out right now. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.